Hello, welcome back to my creative channel. In this video, I will share with you how I made an incredibly powerful steam turbine generator. I will use the water filter pump motor that is broken. I used a small 12-volt LED board to test the motor's power detection feature. Just turn the motor lightly, the LED light will light up immediately. Very cool. Next, I used a bicycle chain to pull the motor. I have already mounted a gear bearing on the motor shaft. Next, I used a box iron base frame to make the base for the machine. On the base, I have already welded a rotating shaft with an additional large gear bearing. On the base, I have already welded a rotating shaft with an additional large gear bearing. Next, I will use screws to secure the motor to the base. I will weld an additional iron pillar to the base. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the videos, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Next, I will weld a small piece of iron to the end of the shaft. Weld a small crank to the welded iron head. Next, I welded a nut to the top of the iron post. I will use a piece of high-temperature resistant PVC pipe to make a steam turbine. Next, I took a long nut and tightened a bolt. I will make a rubber gasket for the nut. I will install this washer on the nut and use another nut to tighten it. I will put this nut into the PVC pipe. Next, I attach two products inside the tube to the top of the plastic tube. I will make a hole on the plastic pipe body to supply steam and one air hole. Once finished, I will take it to install on the chassis. Use bolts to tighten it to the base post. Next, I will attach a UV tube to the hole I made on the plastic tube using special glue. I use one connector to connect to the generator motor. Now I will give the machine a test run to check the generator motor. I will use a mini gas stove and a small boiler. I will use a water pump to pump water into the boiler. Next, I will attach the steam jet tube to the boiler and use zip ties to secure it. I will start turning on the gas stove to heat the boiler. While I wait for the boiler to boil, I will connect an starter circuit to the output of the generator motor. After a while, the boiler had steam and was turning the steam turbine. I will use my familiar fan to test the current from the motor. One more light bulb I used. The fan and light bulbs run very strong and stable. It's great. Let's take a look at the machine I just created. If you like this idea, don't forget to give me a like and hit the notification bell to see the latest videos. Thank you very much.